Hi, welcome to an NX12 video tutorial. I want to do this grill and I did it in a way so I can do it in all 8 programs. There might be a faster or better way, but this method should work even in Onshape and AutoCAD. So let's have fun with NX12. Okay, let's start with the sketch on the YZ plane. That will be a circle, and that circle should have a diameter of 600. This point should be aligned with that axis, and the distance between this axis and that circle should be 200. Let's add some construction lines, maybe like that. Okay, put this one right there, this one as well, and make these construction elements. Okay, midpoint should be aligned with that one. Vertical. Let's go for trim. This should be removed and close. Finish that sketch. So if I rotate this one around that axis, I should get a surface which has a radius of 300 in this direction and 200 in that direction. So let's go for revolve. Revolve that sketch around this axis and go for -30 and 30 and confirm. Let's hide that sketch, and I need 2 lines. So let's go for a sketch on that plane right here, and I need 1 line which goes in this direction, and that midpoint should be aligned with that sketch origin. Coincident, and now give it a dimension, and that might be 350. No, 350. And close. That's okay. And finish that sketch. Make an extrude with that line. It should go up. 300 should do the trick. Yes, and confirm. Now another sketch on that plane again. Another line like this. So midpoint should be aligned with the sketch origin. Okay, coincident, and the length might be, so that might be 160 maybe. Yeah, looks okay. And finish that sketch. Now this one should be another extrude, and maybe again 300 and confirm. Now I want to rotate or pattern this one circular, and then I want to pattern that one circular, but therefore I need a different axis. So I want to use a datum axis, and this one should start at Z -100, and it should go in which direction? So this one should be patterned here, and that one should be patterned in this direction. So this should be around that axis, and this one around this. Now to go 2 and use that one as second reference. That's odd, so deselect it, whatever cancel this and try once more. Okay, it should start with the point at 0, 0, minus 100. Okay, and the direction should be that axis as second reference, like this. That's okay, and confirm. And now I could make a pattern with this surface and that surface, but maybe before I should thicken that surface. Okay, let's go for thicken. Should be, for example, here I want to thicken this surface minus 0.5 and plus 0.5, apply, and same for this one, minus 0.5 and 0.5, no boolean. Now I want to go for a pattern, and I want to pattern this one around this axis and that one around the y-axis. So go for home, more pattern geometry, that solid vector should be this one, and let's turn it around, go for 7 instances, and pitch angle should be 3 degrees, and apply. Then go for the next object, this one, and vector should be that axis right here, this one, and again go for 7 and 3 to this side, that's okay, and confirm. Okay, I will need offset surfaces of this one. So let's check it out. Go for surface and make an offset surface. This one in that direction, and go for 2 millimeter and confirm. That's this one. Now let's unite these and then trim the body. Or first I could trim the bodies. No, let's go for unite first. So go for home, unite, use that one as target and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and confirm. And now I want to trim that body, so go for trim body. This body should be trimmed with the first surface. And let's switch it around like this. Okay. Now let's trim that body once more. This body, now maybe with that surface. And I want to keep so that doesn't, not quite, so I will do it with the plane, that's better. So go for trim body, select the body and use as plane as trim tool that plane here, keep the other side, this one, and apply, and same body now with that plane right here, that one, yes, and I want to keep the other side, that one. Okay, and now trim this body with that surface, the second one with the offsetted one, so go for another trim body. That's the body, and the face I want to trim it with is this one, the offsetted one, and I want to keep, I think that looks okay, just check, yeah, I want to keep the small part, and okay. So if I hide my surfaces, I should have a grid. So let's go to that command and hide the sheets and close. Yeah, looks okay. Now let's bring back two of my surfaces. So go for show, and I want to use this one and that one once more and confirm. I want to do a pattern, so go for a pattern geometry, and I want to pattern, let's take a look, I want to pattern this one. Vector should be that axis right here. Okay, and I need only 2, and the pitch should be 21. Yeah, looks okay. Apply, and same with this one. And that sheet body, vector should be this one. Turn it around, and 2 and 21, and okay. Now I want to thicken this one and that one with 2 millimeter. So go for thicken, should be right up there, still there, yes, thicken that surface, and the other way around, and go for 0 and 2 millimeter, and apply. Same with that one, turn it around, and no boolean, and okay. And I think yeah, did I do the unite? Yeah, I did it before. Okay, that's okay. Now let's trim these with those hidden surfaces, so bring them back. I need both of them, this one and that one right here. Yeah, okay. And now trim and then unite, or first unite and then trim. So it might be better to unite beforehand, so go for this one, and that one should be united. Okay, and now let's go for a trim body, and I want to trim this body. That's part, let's check it out. Is there more one body? So there is this body and that body. Okay, and I want to trim this body with this face. So go back here and check this out, that trim body, because it's hard to see. So that's the one I need, and okay. And maybe hide this sheet and that one for the moment at least, so it's better to see where we go. And yeah, that's a mistake because I need 2 new surfaces. So let's delete this, and I need an offset surface because that's sort of a boundary. So I need an offset surface from this one, and that should be going in this direction, up like this, and I go for 2 millimeter, that's okay. And I need another one offset it from this one, which goes by 1 millimeter in the other direction. And okay, and now I want to use these two to trim that body. So let's see if it works. Go for trim body, and I want to trim here single body, this body, and I want to trim it with the uppermost face, and I want to keep the other side. Apply, and then I want to trim that body with the face down here, and let's switch over. Yeah, that looks okay, and confirm. Now let's see our body and hide the sheet bodies. Close. Yep. Now I could unite this and then trim. Yeah, so it goes for unite. I want to unite this body with that body, and okay. And then go for trim body, this one with the plane, that plane, switch it around, apply, and again trim this one, now with, go there, that plane, turn it around, and okay. Looks okay. Let's bring back two of our surfaces. I need this surface and that one, this one and that one, and okay. And now I could trim the body once more. So go for trim body. I want to trim this body with that plane, and I want to keep this side. That's okay. So apply, then trim this body with this face, and again that's already the right side. Now hide that for the moment, and this one for the moment as well. Great. Let's bring back the surfaces, this one and that one, and okay. And I want to pattern those two once more, so go for another pattern geometry. I want to pattern this one, and that's the one which should go around with this one to the other side, and I need two instances, but now I want to go for 24, or let's say 20. If I go for 25 and 2 to the no, not 24, that would be 3 degrees. Well, let's check it out, make 24 just to see how it looks. Apply, and then this one again, two instances, now with that axis right here to this side here, and apply. Let's take a look here. Is that enough space? So it should bring back another surface. This one, the top, not the top one, but this one here, and okay. And let's cancel this pattern command. Let's take a look here. Is that, so it seems I didn't bring it back. I wanted, sorry, sometimes this happens. I wanted to use that surface here, and okay, now it should be visible. So it's easier for me to see how this will compare. Yeah, that should do. Okay, now I want to trim that surface, so I've got only that quarter here, and I want to use those surfaces which are already here. So let's try. So go for a trim surface, trim sheet. I want to trim this sheet here. Okay. Then I want to use these and extend boundary object to target edges. I want to use that surface, this surface, that surface, and this one. Now I want to discard, so let's go here and go for keep, and I want to keep that surface which is inside here. So all the other around should be removed. I want to discard that part, this part, this one, that one, this one, that one, this one, and let's. Seems I didn't quite select everything, and I want to keep this, so it doesn't work. Let's try once more. Trim sheet. I want to trim this one, and I want to trim with that surface, this one, and that one. Now extend boundary object to target edges. That's okay. And I want to discard, so go here. I want to discard all those surrounding surfaces. These. Let's go for. Not quite. So this should be removed as well. Does it? Yeah, it does, and okay. Now I need this, not anymore, this not anymore, that one and this one. But I need to bring back these other ones. Let's check. So go for show, and now I need that one and this one. Yeah, and now I want to trim once more, so go for trim sheet. I want to trim, so I go for keep. So if I select the body here, it should be recognized automatically. I want to use that surface as tool and this one as tool. Let's go. Looks pretty. No, it's just the other way around. Okay. So let's go for discard and check it out. That's the one. And okay. Hide. And hide. That's quite nice. Now I want to thicken that surface, so go for thicken this one in that direction, 2 millimeter. Yeah, that's the one I want, and hide all surfaces. So now I might not be able to join these with a unite, so I have to thicken. Let's hide that body here. Let's hide this body and thicken that surface a little bit. So that's a parasolid problem. So go for thicken. I want to thicken this surface, no, not this one, cancel, thicken that surface, maybe 0.5, and this surface as well, again 0.5, and confirm. And of course this should be united. Okay, now bring back the other body. That should be, let's go here. No, it's not visible. Okay, so go over here, deactivate timestamp order, and take the second solid body, this one, and bring it back. Now I should be able to unite these. So go for home, unite this one and that one, and confirm. Let's add some fillets. Edge blend, go for 5 mm on this edge, here, apply, then go for 7 mm on that edge, apply, and let's go for let's try 10 on this edge and see how it looks. Okay, yeah, it looks okay. Now I want to mirror and mirror once more, and again I might have problems to unite those. So let's go for a mirror. So mirror geometry, or I should add some small, if I thicken that surface a little bit so it should overlap, or I would have to, yeah, that's kind of a problem, how to unite these bodies which exist. If I go for a mirror, I could mirror this one with that plane. Again, I went for the wrong one. I wanted this one, of course. Apply, and then I could mirror this one and that one with this plane. And I'm almost done. The problem might be, and I'm quite sure it will not work, but I could try. I could go for unite, and I want to unite this one and that one, this one and that one. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's try, and it worked great, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. And I just noticed I missed one fillet here. So what I want to do is I want to go to my timestamp order, go back to the fillets. So let's go to that edge blend and make it the current feature. And I want to fillet, of course, that edge, and I think that was the second blend, this one, so I will add it to that blend. Confirm, and now I'm done. So if I make this the current feature, it should work. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.